Want a private and secure email account that protects your personal information? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a ProtonMail account step by step quickly, safely, and for free. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to set it up in just a few minutes. Before we start, ProtonMail is a privacy-focused email service designed to keep your emails secure using encryption. It's a great alternative if you want more privacy than traditional email services. First, open your browser and go to the official ProtonMail website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Create a Free Account button and click it. Next, you'll see different plans. If you are just getting started, choose the free plan. It gives you a secure email account without paying anything. Now, it's time to create your email address. Type the username you want. For example, something professional like your name or business name. Then choose your email domain. Try to avoid usernames with too many numbers because they may look less professional. Next, create a strong password. Use a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A strong password helps protect your account from hackers. Avoid simple passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or your name. After that, ProtonMail may ask you to verify that you are a real person. You can usually verify using an email address or phone number. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once verification is complete, ProtonMail may ask a few setup questions. You can personalize your display name and basic settings. After that, congratulations, your account is ready. Here's a quick look around. On the left side, you'll see Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and Trash. You can click New Message to send your first secure email. And that's how to create a ProtonMail account step by step. If this tutorial helped you, follow for more. What secure email service do you use? Tell me in the comments.